Hi fellow traders, I'm making this video to share my trading plan of NZD USD with you. If you look at these two lines, these two lines are showing that there is a there has been a formation of some sort of rise and wedge, and if we want to trade this rise and wedge, we'll need to wait for the breakout of this wedge either to the upside or to the downside. Right now the breakout of the wedge did not take place. The market returned right from the upper line of Bollinger, so we can trade inside the Bollinger as long as the price stays inside the Bollinger as well as inside the wedge, and then we will trade the breakout of wedge once the breakout takes place. So right now I have taken my sell position right after market broke below the low of this candle. When market was going to the upside, I was waiting for any possible breakout. So for the breakout to take place, market should not return, but this is a 4-hour candle. So and this candle was significant candle because it was made in early European session, or you can say London session, and there is a high volume in the London session. So market tried to go up, but it couldn't go up, and then it finally made a bearish candle. Since this bearish candle was smaller than the previous bullish candle, I did not make my decision just based on this bearish candle, so I waited for further continuation to the downside. And when market broke below the low of this bearish candle, that was 0.72324, I took my sell position, and I'm targeting the lower border of this Bollinger Band. So I took my position something around 72.30, and from 72.30 my stop loss is around 20 pips, but I'm not going to place a stop loss because I'm waiting for a breakout to the upside of this rise and wedge pattern. So I will rather wait for a 4-hour candle, and if a 4-hour candle will close above this rise and wedge, above this line, let me extend this line to the right side. So if a 4-hour candle will close above this line, then I will exit the position. Otherwise I'll wait for market to fall and I hit my TP, which is something around 71.89. that is the lower border of lower line of the Bollinger, 71.89 plus a spread. So it's 71.89 plus 2 pips, and I have added 2-3 extra pips just because I don't want to miss my TP, and every broker has a different price, so I always keep my TP at 2-3 pips inside the range. So my TP is 71.93 to be precise. So that's all, and if you're watching this video right now, you can take the position because the market price is not very far from my entry price, and even if you take position from here, your risk to reward will be something around 25 pips versus 35 pips. Mine risk to reward is something around 20 pips versus 40 pips. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching. And before I finish, I also like to add that there is no significant news from New Zealand or USA until the release of US retail sales on Wednesday, and I hope that position will already be closed before the release of retail sales from the US on Wednesday, and thus this trade will not be affected by retail sales release. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you want to comment, go to Forex analysis page of our website, KeonConsultancy.com. Sign up or log in there for free using your Google or Facebook account, and you can comment on the video. Comments on YouTube are disabled.